Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to split page in half in Google Docs. If you would like to set multiple columns, you need to select all text where you want to insert it. So I need to use shortcut from my keyboard Ctrl A, or I need to go to Edit tab and I need to select this one option, select all. After that I go to Format and I go to Columns. Here you can select if you want to have only one column, two columns, or 3 columns on your page. Alternatively, you can click on more options and you can select here number of columns. For example, I select here 2 columns and you can type here spacing value. I recommend you to set it on default on 0.5, and after that you need to click apply button to make change to your document. So in this way you can easily insert columns in Google Docs and you can split your document in half. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.